Angel Falls is a waterfall in Venezuela. It is the world's tallest uninterrupted waterfall located in Canaima National Park, the second largest national park in Guiana Highlands in Boliver state in Venezuela. This waterfall tumbles from a cliff near the summit of Tabletop Mountain with a height of 979 meters and a plunge of 807 meters. The waterfall drops over the edge of Auyán-tepui Mountain, which is also known as Devil Canyon, in the Canaima National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site.